So I'm trying it. I'm trying my to see if everybody can hear me right now, and I can afterward describe what I'm doing right now. What's the point? Actually, I would love to play some Street Fighter right now. So I'm trying it. I'm trying to, but now I'm at the point I want to make my own overlay keys. So I'm trying to figure out how it's working. So here is the program I downloaded, the plugin for OBS input overlay, and I have a custom one. I did this one using Photoshop and Illustrator, and I'm working right now on the JSON file. So I'm trying to figure out. I have already another one downloaded from the internet. This is this one. This is the JSON file. I'm trying to figure out what all the informations given here. The default height and width. I assume that that's the object, the every button, what man can size, height, and width. The code. This is the keyboard code for this button. Like the Q is 16, the W is 17, and so, and the mapping, and I'm trying right now to see it. The mapping is the X and Y coordinate, and but the other ones, I think this is. I'm trying to open the other project now in Photoshop and try to measure the coordinates like that. I can know. I'm trying to figure out what the numbers are. So right now I am opening my VS Code, and this is the was minimal JSON. So I need to open the image in Photoshop. Okay, this is the image in Photoshop, and the coordinate, if I'm kissing. No, it's not working. So I need a background for this one. Can I use a default background like that? I can see what I'm doing right now. So the point is, the file is so the image, if I zoom in, there is 1 pixel from the X coordinate. So here it's 0, it's 0.0x and 0 epsilon, and the first element, the Q element, is placed at 1 pixel away from the border here. In my project, this is not the case. I'm going to top. This is the big rectangle, and if I select this one, the X is at 177 and Y is at 62 pixels away from the border. So if I'm guessing right, I think the other coordinate is about the second option. That means the hover effect or the pressed button effect. This one. So, and this one is at selecting this one right now. War einer von euch mit draußen? Also bei mir, sie hat groß gemacht, sie hat klein gemacht. Also ich denke nicht, dass sie jetzt nochmal Wetter jetzt machen wird. Es geht nur um Budget. Wie viel hat sie noch? Ja, das heißt, ich denke nicht, dass sie jetzt nochmal machen wird, ne? Ja, ich bin gerade beschäftigt, also ein Stündchen, dann werde ich mit ihr rausgehen. So that's the second element. I mean, there is the coordinate about the first one and the second one, and this is how the height and the width of every button. So I'm telling the code that's. I think I'll give it a try. So I'm going right now. I can show you what I'm doing right now. So I'm trying. This is my OBS, and here in the overlay, I have already the mapping for another keyboard, and if I press something, you see the highlight is working. I'm trying right now to do my own overlay input, and this one is at custom. That's what I created, and this is the PNG for it. So okay, and now I'm going to add my JSON file. What I've done. Okay, and I see nothing. Wait. Where's the... here. Okay. I'm trying something right now. So let's assume I'm giving the not just the height and the width from one element. I try to give the height and the width from all elements. So in my Photoshop, let's try that. So this Canva, this element, this image is 709 width, 709 pixel width, and 448 no 79 and 448 high. So okay, perhaps it's the right one right now. Where's the here? So I'm trying it again. And oh no, it's not working. Oh, changed right now. Perhaps I need to use something else. I'll keep it. I'm working it now and just see if there is something. So the coordinate right now. The problem is, I think this one is too small. I think this is really how big the button is. In this example, if I select just one button here, I'll try to use some that I don't need to have it pixel perfect right now. I need just to know about okay. So for me right now the height is more important. It's about the height is about 172 what I have here, and then the JSON file 27 127. Yeah, I think that's the button. How big, how the height and the width from every element. That mean in my example what I did, every element, the background one is 102 pixel. So I can change that 102. Zack. Okay. So I have the elements. That's what they already did. Okay, and this one is how big the flags. So I have the elements. Afterward, I need to use a flag. I'm just copying right now. I have no idea what is all this setups. I'm a web developer, so I know what a JSON file is, but I don't know how it's working right now. So here the overlay height and width, this is how big the window is, the element, what I did here in Photoshop, the whole element here. And this one is $709 width. And fuck it. And 448 and 8 width. Okay. Let's try it again. I make it bigger right now, and space high -20 space width. I have no idea. I'm copying right all that, just how it is, just to see. And right now the only element I used is the V element. I copied this from here. every element has code, ID, mapping, and position. It's an array with 2 elements, 2 and 0, and after that is type 1 and set at 1. Okay. And this is one element, and every one key, and every key is just the same thing, I guess. Set level type 1. I guess we're gonna have like type 2 for okay, go here. So I'm just trying if I guess this one right, so I can use the same thing for every element. Need to know okay. Okay, this is 102, 102. But yeah, this one, just this one. Trying to figure out what this is. The V element is so the V element, this one, is at 240 in the x-axis. Okay, I think this one is the position of the element. It make no sense for me because I think this one is all the coordinates. So I need this is for me it's the same. Okay, can I have like if I use the width 157 plus 161, no, 128 plus 128. Okay, I need to search for that. Install user, configure the tutorial. Just one pixel. Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 So I think I have some I think I have some issues with this one, so I need to fix that in my project. So first of all, I need to change all that. This is my project right now. Okay, I need to sort all these elements. Starting with the directions first. It need to be at 1 pixel. The highlight, the normals are on top, and underneath are the highlights for every element. So okay, top, the bottom one needs to move from here, like here. The left 4 need to come here. 3 pixels. Right. Bottom. Right. Top. So the actions is the same. I guess need to be top. and one, two. Okay, and kicks the whole elements here. One, two, three.